Are you struggling to add a dynamic post title in Elementor because it's locked behind Pro? Learn the exact click path to unlock it in under 4 minutes. We'll edit the homepage, find the Site section, select the Post Title widget, and see how the Pro upgrade unlocks this feature. To start, go to the homepage and edit it with Elementor. Once you're in the editor, click on the highlight. Next, click on Site. Then click on Post Title. Now, click on the option to use the Post Title widget, mentioning dozens more Pro features. Then hit Upgrade Now. And click Upgrade Now once more, and that's it. Happy building! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.